Hello, my dear friends. A very good evening to one and all. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here with a very, very inspiring story of one of our student, JAGRITI SUNEJA. So JAGRITI have done her Masters in Environmental Sciences from Guru Gobind Singh Indraprasth University, which is famously known as IP, from University School of Environmental Management. She was studying at our center program, regular program, offline program in Delhi. Subsequently, she qualified NET-JRF in environmental sciences, and then she joined IIT Delhi for project work, and she was working there on project, but she was willing to apply outside India. She was willing to do her PhD program from either USA or somewhere in Europe. Our dedicated team of faculty, proposal writing team, and research team was guiding her, and she was applying in all the application and were preparing very hard for the interview. 3 to 4 days ago, we received this news that she have got a final PhD program and a final PhD position at North Carolina State University in United States of America, USA. So on this achievement, the entire team of A.S.S. Science Foundation congratulate our student JAGRITI SUNEJA for such a remarkable feat. She is an example of that how hard work turn out to be your dream goal, because she was aspiring to join some good university for research outside India, though she was working in IIT Delhi. Finally, she landed into North Carolina University, North Carolina State University, USA. Our entire team wish her good luck for future research work. At present, the programs for NET-JRF, Environmental Sciences, GATE, Ecology Evolution, and Environmental Science and Engineering, all the other M.SC entrances are going on in offline mode at our Delhi center, in online mode via live classes, and correspondence with video programs, etc. Those who are planning to join in, please let us know as early as possible. Thank you.